Buoyancy is always an upward force tending to cause you to float, rise, hover, or sink less quickly. As a diver, you control your buoyancy primarily by the amount of weight you wear and the amount of air you have in your BC or dry suit. If an object floats, the object is less dense than the water. You want to have enough buoyancy to float when you are at the surface before and after you dive. If an object is neutral, it hovers. You want to be neutrally buoyant throughout your dive. If an object displaces an amount of water that weighs less than the object does, it sinks or it's negative. Your weight and your volume affects your buoyancy. Making a dive in a wetsuit, your buoyancy changes over the course of the dive. As you descend, the pressure of the water increases and compresses the gas bubbles in your wetsuit. As the bubbles compress, the wetsuit displaces less water and therefore loses some of its buoyancy. You will notice that you are sinking faster and faster the deeper you go. To compensate for the loss of buoyancy, you must add air to your BC, which increases your volume to regain the lost buoyancy. As you ascend, the bubbles in your wetsuit and the air in your BC will expand because the pressure of water is reduced. You will notice that you are rising faster and faster. To compensate for the additional buoyancy, you must vent air from your BC to control your ascent. The density of the water in which you dive also affects your buoyancy. Salt water is about 2.5% denser than fresh water because of the weight of the minerals dissolved in it. If you are weighted to be neutral in salt water and you dive in fresh water with the same amount of weight, you'll sink. You must recheck your buoyancy if you change from diving in salt water to fresh water and vice versa.